This is a digital scale. The purpose of a scale is to measure weight. This scale has 3 different buttons: the power button, tare, and unit. In science, you'll be using this digital scale to measure the weight of different items. To turn on the scale, you press the power button and wait till the display screen comes on and that you see 0 and a lowercase g for grams. In our science class, we always measure the weight in grams. If there's not a lowercase g, then you use the unit button. And the unit button will change the unit. There's pounds, pounds and ounces, ounces, milliliters, and grams. So when you're using your scale, please make sure that it's at G for grams. Here's how you weigh an item. You put it in the center of the scale, you take your hand off, and so we can see this candle weighs 52 grams. I'd like to show you what the tare function is. So the tare function is if we have a container and we don't want the weight of the container, we just want the item. So like for example, I have a ball here and it might roll around. So I'm going to use a bowl, but I don't want the bowl and the weight of the ball. So see how the bowl came up at 9 grams? If I click tare, then it goes to 0 grams, and now I can put the ball in, and so the ball weighs 7 grams. So that's the tare function. If ever you take an item off and you're not at 0, you also use the tare button to get to 0. So if I click tare, it will go to 0. So whenever measuring before measuring, we should make sure that we are at 0. And that's how you use a digital scale.